So what drew my attention to your showroom is definitely the wedding set. Like, it's a full set. You come in, you see the bed, you see, it's just, you don't even have to stress yourself. I want this set. I want this set. I love that.
Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode of Baffi Café. Today I'm here with a special guest, Hot Perry Dot.
Hello.
So,
Hi.
let's have a brief introduction. How about you introduce yourself? Tell us what you're all about.
Okay, I'm Hot Perry Dot. I'm an Abuja lifestyle blogger. I blog about places to go, all types of places to go, food, gym, anything Abuja basically. We showcase and explore everything that has to do with Abuja and its environment. Started this blog a year ago, and happy to say we've grown quite a bit from a year ago. What else? Everything is self-explanatory. I don't have anything else to say.
All right, thank you. So if I may ask, what inspires you to do what you do?
People. I love the fact that what I do helps people figure out where they are going, what they're going to eat, what they want to do. Like, people use my blog to plan their lives, plan their day, and then you get these really nice tags of, oh, we went here, we had fun because of you, or we did this because of you, you inspired us to do it. Nothing makes me happier, and it motivates me to keep doing more, to keep going out and showcasing all these places in Abuja. And I think that's what inspires me the most. Nothing else apart from helping people.
What is your first thought when you hear Baffi?
Oh, first thought. Definitely just a few words. Luxury, class, opulence. Those three. Anytime you see Baffi, just know that that's what you're going to get. But that's my first thought. That was like, it was class. It was like, wow, this is luxury. This is class. This is a brand that, anybody will want to be associated with because of how, unique and how much quality they put in their work. It's obvious in their showroom. So I would say opulence, class, luxury. That's Baffi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
We really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Standard of living. What does that mean to you?
If we're going to focus on Nigeria, it's like, standard of living in Nigeria is, I'm going to say, there's nothing, if you ask the average Nigerian about standard of living, their face falls, because it's like, in this country, there isn't anything good that the average Nigerian will tell you about the standard of living. So we're going to talk about standard of living, talk about life expectancy. It's really low in Nigeria. We're going to talk about unemployment. It's a lot. We're going to talk about, air pollution. We're going to talk about, what's it called, even house rent. How to even get a job. You finish school, you can't get a job. Yeah, standard of living in Nigeria is pretty low. We have a long way to go when it comes to having a good standard of living in Nigeria. That's how I feel when it comes to Nigeria. It's not, you can't really sugarcoat it, because the average Nigerian will tell you that there's really nothing wonderful about the standard of living here. While other Nigerians would actually tell you that yes, they enjoy all the social amenities.
So how would you classify, or how would you say it's supposed to be? What's your mindset about standards?
It starts from the beginning. It starts from the top. It starts from our leaders. It starts from everybody that is in charge of all the different social sectors. It doesn't even have to be 100%, even if it's 80%. I feel like that would impact us in such a way that people can go to school, if you go to school, you get money, you get a job, you get funds, you can afford so many things. A lot of people cannot afford. That's even where the problem is coming from, because there is no opportunity for them to even showcase how good they are at things. Everywhere is blocked, quote unquote. What I think about it, we have a long way to go. I won't even lie. A lot of things can change, but it starts from the leaders. Our leadership needs to change. It starts from our mindset. Our mindset needs to change. Even as Nigerians, we have a long way to go with our mindset. Because even if the leaders start doing well, we need a shift in our mindset from the negative to positive. We already believe that everything is bad. So a shift needs to happen. And I think after that, there will be an increase in our standard, to be honest. I feel like those two things, mindset and leadership.
How do you think furniture has to play in people's mindsets?
If we're going to look at furniture, we're going to look at housing. You need shelter, you need food, you need clothing. Those are the three basic things you need to live. In your house, you can't sit on the floor. You need furniture. So furniture is a fundamental thing you need in your life. Good furniture is fundamental. You need a place to sleep. you need where to eat, you need where to sit down, you need where to keep things. So furniture is actually you might not even realize it until somebody, actually, that's a good question, because it's like, you need furniture. What are you doing in your house? No matter the standard of living, everybody has furniture in their houses. There is no, for some reason, there is no, even if it's a bed, even if it's just a bed, everybody has furniture in their house. So it's actually a fundamental need for humans. That's what I think.
Final question is, after checking out our showroom, I don't know whether you liked it or not, what's your favorite piece?
So what drew my attention to your showroom is definitely the wedding set. I really like that, couples don't have to go around trying to pick, okay, I want this dining, I want this. Like, it's a full set. You come in, you see the bed, you see, it's just, you don't even have to stress yourself. I want this set, I want this set. I love that. I love that package. The wedding set, everybody has to check it out. Like, you don't even have to stress yourself. Just be like, I want this set. You have furniture in your parlor, furniture in your dining, furniture in your room. You have your TV stand. Everything is there. You have your center table. So I think it's just, I love that it's a set. You don't have to stress yourself to keep picking, because furniture shopping can be very stressful, can be very draining. So nothing is better than actually just walking into a showroom and they just show you a set and you just fall in love, and that's it. You don't have to stress yourself picking different things in different areas in the house. And for the fact that there's always complimentary furniture, like you can get this, and then you get like a TV stand for free. Come on. Who does that? I don't think there's anywhere that does, like, and the TV stand is standard. It's the standard TV stand that you get. That blew me away, because I don't really have to spend that much anyway. So I think the wedding package with the free complimentary gifts, that sold me.
Thank you so much for coming. I think it's been our pleasure.
Thank you for having me.
You really brought an energy that we really like.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. All right, guys. So we look forward to another episode of Baffi Café. We might be doing something different next time. And we have more features with Hot Perry Dot here. Just watch out. Go check out her Instagram. Trust me.
At Hot Perry Dot.
Yes, at Hot Perry Dot. You're going to love it.